everyone, this is Hyperliquid USD daily chart, and the price action following the bounce in this little pocket we were talking about has now put in, thanks to this recent news pump with all the bond market stuff and the SEC stuff, then of course we have now managed to put in a higher high, and not just a higher high which is an all-time high for Hyperliquid. So this is a great achievement at the back end of a bear market for Hype, maintaining the bullish narrative. But there is a possibility here of a bit of a trap. We have to bear in mind that this pump has come from organic TA. This pump started following the breakout of the ascending triangle and the move down into this pocket with the 200 MA support. That's fine, but now it's been supercharged because of the news we've had last week. And of course, because half of this is a news pump, we have to be very cautious because it's highly likely that a reset back down into this range is likely. So don't be looking for any kind of bull flags to buy the breakout here. No, we want to wait to see what happens. But because we've had a nice higher high, that's going to attract a lot of people to the market, and because it is an all-time high as well, that's super bullish. But that doesn't really change what we're thinking in terms of where we want to be in terms of positioning. So we did say that if we see a strong move back up to the top of this range, we didn't even mention having a higher high. I wasn't sure that was going to be on the cards. Actually, if I'm honest, we did say that that would then give us a lot of confidence to come in at these levels here at around 60. So this is $60 dead. Now, if it happens quickly, we could see a move back down into the triangle because the 200 MA is here. That's going to act as gravity to the price action to a degree, and we are cooking on the RSI for sure. Is there any divergence to speak of at present? No, so we could see a bit of a move up. But you might be thinking, well, hang on a minute, this is super bullish price action. The textbook says that once we've had a breakout of this key level, so you might say, well, hang on a minute, we've had a clear break above 74. Doesn't the textbook say to come back down here for a long from here? Maybe, if we're in super bullish conditions, but we're not. If Bitcoin's going gangbusters, then maybe, yes, we could come in here at 74. But the reality is that we don't have sufficient retrace value for the current market conditions, which are bearish still. Despite this move, we have to presume this will be short-lived move, and therefore we're looking for $60. Come back down into this range, $60, that's still where we want to be, but it's now a stronger proposition to come in at this point because of this pump. Whereas with bearish conditions picking up, as we arrived in this area, we could have seen Hyperliquid potentially roll over from where it was. But thankfully now, this higher high has given long traders a very clear, definable area to come in on. And that's essentially between $60 and $56, this little area here. And of course, the advantage is, even if it takes a little bit of a while to come back down, this moving average here is fast going to be coming in to also offer support in this area, meaning coming back down here, looking for that $59, $55 entrance is the best play right now for Hype. But it is a waiting game. But remember, trading a bullish asset in a bearish market takes a bit of patience, so don't get carried away. But that's Hyperliquid.